In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for ads. This guide will walk you through the process of creating eye-catching advertisements with this intuitive tool, ensuring your ad campaigns are engaging and effective. To begin our journey, open your web browser and go to Google Gemini. This is the platform we'll use to support our integration with Nano Banana. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, you'll see a clean interface that sets the stage for your creative advertising endeavors. After you've arrived at the Gemini platform, the next step is to locate and click on the Add Files icon. This icon is your gateway to uploading the creative materials that you'll be working with. It will prompt you to select files from your device that are integral to designing your ads. Before uploading, make sure you have all your brand assets ready. This includes your product photos and a transparent PNG of your logo. Having these elements prepared in advance will save you time and ensure a smoother process. Gather these files into a folder for easy access when it's time to upload. Now you'll want to move on to entering your text prompt. This part is crucial because it sets the tone and direction for your advertisement. In the text prompt section, describe the mood you want to convey, the composition of the ad, where you want your products placed, the colors you're aiming for, and where the copy should be positioned. If you have specific product images or logos that need to be integrated, upload them here as well to ensure everything fits perfectly into your vision. Once all your elements are uploaded and your prompt is clearly articulated, click the Generate button. This task is where the magic happens. The AI will work to apply the style based on your inputs. It's an exciting moment as you watch your ideas come to life with a polished and professional look designed to capture your audience's attention. Finally, after you've reviewed the generated design and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to download the image. Make sure to check the new font style or any other details that have been applied. Once you're content with the result, save the image to your device. This file will then be ready to use in your ad campaign, adding a polished and consistent touch to your branding efforts. And there you have it, a seamless and straightforward way to use Nano Banana for creating standout ads. Repeat these steps as needed for future projects and continue to refine your prompts to achieve even more tailored results. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep your advertisements fresh with this invaluable tool.